Yes, my friends, this is a case of a old lady, age about 70 plus, has been suffering from dry cough for last 1 month, which aggravates at night and relieved by drinking cold water. Cough relieved by drinking cold water, causticum, capsicum, cupramet, and aggravates at night. রাত্রে বাড়ছে, ঠান্ডা জল খেলে কমছে। In addition to that, I have got another symptom, drawing pain from hip to soles. কোমর থেকে পায়ের দিকে ব্যথা নামে। It is another important symptom of causticum. So, golden opportunity to prescribe causticum. The cough modality is causticum. The rheumatic symptom is causticum. Another important mental symptom, the patient is sympathetic to mass. Sympathetic to mass. দয়ামায়া নেই একদম, আছে দয়ামায়া প্রচুর আছে। সো গ্রেট sympathetic and tension বেশি, অ্যাংজাইটি বেশি। So patient great anxiety, sympathetic, cough relief by drinking cold water, drawing pain from hip to downwards, hip to downwards, goes up to the posterior part of the thigh, posterior aspect of the legs, up to the tendocalcaneus. So causticum is the choice of medicine. Let's prescribe. এই ভিডিও খেয়াল রাখুন, causticum-এর একবারের ওষুধে কতটা ইমপ্রুভ হয় আমরা দেখব। Because the patient is sympathetic, the very much tension and anxiety. টেনশন খুব বেশি করেন, টেনশনে রাজা রানী। Pain, chest, drawing pain, cough relieved by drinking cold water. So let's prescribe causticum.